Now, like we have studied the particle nature of wave, particle nature of light. In the similar manner, we have to study the wave nature of particle. It says that if a particle moves with very high speed as compared to speed of light, then it releases the radiations and it possesses wave nature. Under condition only, then particle moves with very high speed, only then. So, and that those waves are known as de Broglie waves. Name is given de Broglie wave or matter waves. Waves released due to the motion of a particle, motion of a matter. Now, what is the relation? It says, suppose we take an example of photon only. Photon we are considering as a mass. If photon, otherwise relativistic mass of photon is 0, rest mass of photon is 0. Suppose relativistic mass of photon is m, which is given by m naught by 1 minus v square by c square is under. The relativistic mass of any particle is given by this. Now, according to Einstein's equation, energy of photon is given by h nu. If nu is the frequency of light, then energy of light is given by h nu. Also, if photon is moving with very high speed, obviously speed of photon is c only, speed of light, then energy we can write as mc square also, mass energy equivalence according to Einstein. So if we compare these two things we are talking about photon only, so we can equate these two and we will get h nu is equal to mc square. From here we can find the mass of photon h nu by c square. This is the mass of photon which is moving with light, speed of light c. Fine. Now if we say the momentum of photon of any particle is given by mass into velocity. That means photon is moving with speed of light. Mass, we can put the value this h nu by c square into c. That means we can write it as h nu by c. C by nu we can write it as wavelength. Wavelength we know lambda is equal to c by mu. ये expression होता है. So this momentum we can write h by lambda or wavelength we can write h by p. This is a wonderful relation which connects momentum and wavelength. Momentum is the property of a mass. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. जिसका mass होगा उसका momentum होगा. And this wavelength is a property of radiation, wave. So this is the relation which connects the particle nature with the wave nature. And this expression for wavelength is known as de Broglie wavelength. Fine. So expression for de Broglie wavelength is h by p or h by m. Fine. Here only we have to find the de Broglie wavelength of electron. Suppose there is an electron of mass m and charge e, and it is accelerated through a potential difference v। मास हमें पता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज हमें पता है, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस हमें पता है जितना हमने अप्लाई किया है उस इलेक्ट्रॉन को एक्सेलरेट करवाने के लिए। फाइन। सो एक्सप्रेशन फॉर डी ब्रोगली वेवलेंथ वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिराइव्ड h by p, or we can say h by m into v. Now if v potential difference is applied, electron is moving, then the relation between momentum and kinetic energy, we know that momentum can be replaced by under root 2m into e. Kinetic energy is the kinetic energy, root 2 me e. If v potential difference we have applied, that means energy of the electron with which it is moving can be written as E into V. That means momentum of that electron is equal to this. So de Broglie wavelength of an electron which is accelerated by this much potential difference is given by h by root 2 MeV. Fine. If we put the values of h, mass of electron, charge of electron, then this expression will come out to be (12.27 by under root V angstrom). This is the de Broglie wavelength of an electron which is accelerated through this much potential difference.